Káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, àgbẹ̀tẹ̀sí ń wò wá. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ó tuntun ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí o ní ìlú kan. Òun lẹ̀ ń wò lórí àwòrán yìí tí àwọn ọmọ yìí bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sáré kiri. Tó bá yá gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì àwádìí bọ́ǹkì ẹ̀ wọ́n á ní pé nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ ò ṣẹlẹ̀. Táwọn bá rí pé bóyá nǹkan kan yọ sí wọn ní skul wọn ò ní máa sá kíjokíjo àti lọ skul lẹ̀ Yorùbá ti wá dágbára báyìí. Òun ni wọ́n sọ pé tí Tinubu bá tètè dìde kó gbé ìgbésẹ̀ lórí gbogbo ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí àti wọlé lẹ́lẹ́kejì yìí máa lágbára gan. Wọ́n ní kí ni ọ̀gá ológun gan wò tí wọ́n lè wọnú gbó àwọn tó ń tẹ ìkórè níjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí láti lọ gbà wọ́n lẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní màmá Remi Tinubu gan kò bìkítà fáwọn ọmọ yìí rárá láti lọ gbà wọ́n lẹ̀. Ìṣe ni màmá ń pé mọ́tò kákàkiri lórí ayélujára. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni Ṣèyí Mákindé gan ó yẹ kó ti pàṣẹ kan wọnú gbó kan lọ tún àwọn pípò ilẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ làwọn PFM náà bàbá yìí pariwo pé àwọn PFM kí lẹ wá ń wò ṣé wà lórí government payroll ni tẹ́lẹ̀ jáde lórí àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n ń pariwo lójoojúmọ́ yìí. Ẹ wò ó tẹ bá ní ká máa fọwọ́ lẹ́ràn ká máa wò báyìí nǹkan á bàjẹ́ sí o. Bàbá Tinubu ni bàbá yìí wá pè jáde pé bàbá Tinubu àti wọlé ẹlẹ́ǹkejì yìí máa lágbára gan-an lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí àwọn ọmọdé yìí tí ẹ̀ bìkítà rárá láti gbà wọ́n jáde pé ọmọ olówó àti gbà jáde ó easy ọmọ tálákà ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run nìkan fi lé ẹ̀wọ̀ ẹ̀ wá nǹkan ẹ̀fìdílé nǹkan ẹ̀já àjọ gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ prọfẹ́sì lẹ́nu Primate Ayọ̀délé àti ohun tí wọ́n sọ ẹ̀já àjọ gbọ́.
Of the poor, they were kidnapped. Nobody to rescue them. The children of the rich were kidnapped. They were rescued because their father has money, because they are connected. So you Nigerians, if you are not careful now, if you allow your children to be kidnapped, you pay ransom more. We don't understand the kind of government we have. These children, they are there for the past 3 weeks. They are suffering. They are inside sun. They are inside the rain. Nobody to rescue them. Is that the way to run the country? If any of these children dies, if anything happens to them, Tinubu second time we die. Oh, we die completely. We die. We die. How long do we continue to suffer these children? For how long? Why can't you use every power? And these are the warnings we have given them ever before it happens. They don't listen to the truth. They want to listen to the people who will deceive them. They are deceiving Tinubu. There is kidnapper everywhere. It's only God who will save us from these kidnappers. Children, small children were kidnapped. They are suffering. They are in pain. They are suffering. They are in pains. Why can't you use this moment, this Sunday? What is the essence of Christian Association, PFN? What is their contribution? What have they done to see that everything works? The Islamic religion too, what have they done? They are only bragging, making noise makers. Is that how to fight? You have solicited support from America. Why can't America come to help you? Right? But now, it is now a turn. Meanwhile, if you allow this thing to go further, expand in Southwest, they will capture all senators, they will steal you. Honorables, they will steal you. Irregardless of your security, we will all pay for it. The children are in pains. Why not saving them once and let your government be given largest ovation? They burn plastic, metal plastic, putting it on small children. Okay, can you president too, can you bear it? What happens to Ṣèyí Mákindé that cannot face that bush with security? What even happened to Tinubu that cannot visit the place? Is that the kind of government that we want? The kind of president that we want? President that is selfish? President that is not kind? An heartless president. And later on now, your wife will be distributing cars. APC women, shame to all of you. You are a disgrace. It doesn't take you as a woman. Go to your state. Go and do your campaign in your state. The campaign is, we don't want terrorism, we don't want kidnapping. Then you say you are distributing cars. Cars that will tear you. It's not good. Big pastors, shame to all of them. Because they are on government payroll, they can never talk. They will only be talking in parables. This is not what God wants. So these children, they are in pains. The more they are in pains, Tinubu, your second time too is in pains. The more these children are in anguish, your second time is in anguish. What is American government? What are they doing to rescue these children? What are they doing to liberate these children? American government, help these children. Don't let them die. Help us. Because I don't know what police, army, what they are doing. Chief of Army Staff, Chief of Defense Staff, Minister of Defense, why not taking a bold step? Declare a day. Let us know that you love the citizen. Tinubu, give them a marching order to see that these children were released. Keeping them in captivity is pains. What are they eating? What are they giving them? Are they not giving them poison? Will these children survive later? How much are you going to pay? 1 billion naira? Negotiation is encouragement to terrorism. Stop negotiation. Let's face terrorism. A bullet for one terrorism is the solution. Instead of no jail, don't jail them, kill them. That's all we need. All of this, let's stop these emotions. Let's save these children. We don't want them to go to school again because they will be afraid. We don't. Who are the people who start terrorism? Who encourages it? It starts from somewhere. When they are doing it in the north, the southerners, we are not talking. It's not the southerner time. Northerners will not talk. Oh. They have experienced their own. It's going to southeast too. Let us wake up before this escalates. No to escalation of terrorism and kidnapping of our children. We want the safety of our children because they are the leader of tomorrow. Save the life of a president of tomorrow, a governor, an accountant, a senate president, a bishop of tomorrow, a judge of tomorrow, professor of tomorrow. They are among these 42 children. These children will save Nigeria a lot. Tinubu, these children will save your second term if you can release them within 48 hours. Sheyi Makinde, if you don't let them be released, if you don't do the best, if anything happens to these children, your political career is in jeopardy. If you don't go out of your way, you are the chief security of that state. Sheyi Tinubu, can he be kidnapped and the government will be looking like this? Abba. This is serious, so. This is serious, so. If they kidnap Sheyi Makinde's children, will they be waiting and be talking like Mumu? Abba. Well, God is watching. Let's wait. There's judgment. Thank you.